Welcome to Tech Vibes.
YouTube. Dialer. Contact. Messaging. Chrome. Camera. Gallery. YT Studio. Search. Double tap and hold to long press. Gallery. Notification shade. Huawei Home. Monday the 12th of June, 6:35 p.m. Usapitiya, mostly cloudy, current temperature 29, today's high 30 degrees, today's low 21 degrees.
අද අපි බලමු TalkBack එක ඔෆ් කරන්න කියලා. එතන ඉඳන් ඔයා ටච් කරනකොට ඩබල් ටච් කරන්න.
Settings. Double tap to edit text. Perindu, Huawei ID, payment and purchases, cloud. Smart Assistant, accessibility. Smart Assistant. Double tap to activate. Accessibility, 1. Accessibility. Double tap to activate. TalkBack, on, 2 of 22, in list. TalkBack. Double tap to activate. On, switch. Stop TalkBack. OK, button. TalkBack off.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.